नमस्कार साथियों, 14 मार्च 2019 द हिंदू शुरू करते हैं। जल्दी से रोज पढ़ा कीजिए मेरे साथ द हिंदू। आपकी अंग्रेजी बस कुछ ही समय में बहुत अच्छी हो जाएगी। एसएससी और बैंक हम हर इम्तिहान फतेह करेंगे। चलिए शुरू करते हैं द हिंदू एडिटोरियल। आपको कठिन वर्ड डिस्क्रिप्शन में मिलेंगे और पूरा एडिटोरियल भी आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन में मिलेगा। In slow mode on manufacturing and inflation data. Manufacturing inflation data give monetary policy makers room for an interest rate cut. Manufacturing activity in the country continues to remain becalmed. The latest index of industrial production data shows that output across the board sector expanded 1.3% in January, a clear loss of momentum from the 3% pace in December and a drastic slowdown from the 8.7% growth seen in January 2018. Overall, industrial output growth slumped to 1.7% from 2.6% in December and 7.5% a year earlier, as production in 12 of the 23 industry groups that comprise the manufacturing sector shrank from a year earlier. These are quick estimates that are likely to be revised. But the fact that key job creating industries, including textiles, leather, and related products, pharmaceuticals, rubber and plastic products, and motor vehicles, reported contractions hardly bodes well for the real economy. A look at the use-based classification of industries also gives little cause for cheer. Capital goods, a closely watched proxy for business spending plans, contracted 3.2%, a telling contrast with the 12.4% expansion posted 12 months earlier. A sustained rival on this vital front may still be some time away. A recent survey by IHS Markit of business activity expectations, conducted over 2 weeks in the latter half of February, shows that Indian businesses plan to curb outlays on hiring and capital spendings, with sentiment on capex at a one-year low, and growth in consumer durables output was an anaemic 1.8%. Another clear sign that spending on consumption of non-essential remains in search of favourable winds. If the IPP poses cause for concern, retail inflation data hardly provide much reassurance. While price gains measures by the Consumer Price Index accelerated to a 4-month high of 2.57% in February, it is the present deflationary trend, the price of some farm item that is deeply disconcerting, reflecting as it does a collapse in pricing power in the agrarian heartland. Vegetables, fruits, and pulses and products all posted negative rates of inflation from a year earlier of 7.69%, 4.62% and 3.82% respectively. While urban consumers may cheer the increased affordability of vegetables and fruits, rural demand for manufactured goods will remain depressed unless there is meaningful turnaround in the farm sector's economic fortunes. Looking ahead, with Saudi Arabia committed to deepening its production cuts in order to keep crude oil prices well supported, it appears unlikely that India's fuel and energy costs will stay soft for much longer. And with political parties sure to open the spending spigot in the bid to woo voters, inflationary impulses will quicken. For now, though, with growth slowing and inflation still comfortably within the Reserve Bank's 2% to 6% target range, monetary policymakers would feel justified in pressing ahead with one more interest rate cut at their meeting next month. आपका बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया सभी का, आपका इसको सुनने के लिए। अब यदि यहाँ तक हैं तो मैं आपको बताता हूँ कि आखिरकार न्यूज़पेपर पढ़ना कैसे है। कई लोग न्यूज़पेपर ये ट्यूटोरियल के लिए आधे एक घंटे का यूट्यूब पे वीडियो डाल रहे हैं और हम सभी देख रहे हैं उसे सारे स्टूडेंट्स। वो सब टाइम की बर्बादी है। यदि आपका टारगेट बैंक और एसएससी है, आपको सिर्फ एडिटोरियल पढ़ने और उनके वर्ड्स ध्यान देने हैं। आपको उसका एनालिसिस और ये सब ज़्यादा शायद नहीं ध्यान देना एसएससी और बैंक के लिए, क्योंकि आप कुछ ऐसा लिखने नहीं वाले हैं। वो आईएएस यूपीएससी वालों के लिए है। तो आपको सिर्फ इंग्लिश की अपनी क्षमता बढ़ानी है और वोकैबुलरी की क्षमता बढ़ानी है। बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया देखने का। रोज पढ़िए, आधा घंटा रोज दीजिए। कुछ 7-8 मिनट मेरे साथ पढ़िए इसको रोज। आप देखेंगे 7 से 8 दिन में बड़ा ये गजब का कॉन्फिडेंस आएगा आपको।